welcome to a new vlog. We're in Prague now. We literally travelled to Prague this morning from Berlin. It took about 4 hours and it was actually fine. We was just editing our Berlin vlog. We're currently sat at a little boozer having a beer. I've got a cherry beer and
I can't remember what the name
I can't even remember what Brandon's was, but yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, me dears. So we are at the Vytopna restaurant where they quite happily serve you beers on a train. I mean, that one's got ours, but ours will be coming very shortly.
Crazy thing is, we're just like obviously sat on the table and the train knows when to stop at your place.
Yeah.
And we just don't get it. Like, to be fair, you did try and ask the lady, didn't you?
We did.
But I don't think she understood, but
baffling, but
it's so cool. And even the food comes on the trains as well. But
no, that's not ours.
But we'll show you when our train comes.
Yes. Quick. Quick. Beer train just then brought us little taster ones. Well, they're about 200ml each, but I thought it'd be quite cool to get the train. So I've got an IPA, which I mean I'm not a massive fan of, but we'll go with it. So they're normal. They're just normal tap house lager. Got a bit like a Strout/Guinness style one, and then you've obviously got your cider. Choo-choo! Okay, so we just had a bit of a bougie cocktail in some place, so we didn't really feel like we could record, but this is fucking mental. Robots making you a drink.
So it's like a little iPad.
So
and then like
you choose your drink.
Your menu's here and you just add it. Obviously put on all your bank cards and stuff, and then it just goes.
And then it just makes your drink there.
This is so cool.
So it's gonna make me my sex on the beach right now. Oh my god. Give it a good shake. There we go. There we go. Look at that. And then give it a little pour. The precision. Thank you very much, sir. Shaky, shaky. ordered a fucking Heineken. She can't even drink it. Look at the state of her. We're fucking straw, mate. Morning everyone, this is our first full day in Prague. We went to a club last night, really good, because they were making us drinks using a robot.
It was so cool.
So
I've never
cool.
seen anything like it before.
So
but you would have already seen the footage.
yes, you would have done. That's right. Today we're just going to do a bit of sightseeing again.
Little more.
Well, we walked towards the riverbank yesterday and we were thinking, oh, why is everyone just crowding over here for? And it turns out it was just an amazing view. I mean, you probably would have seen it again in the footage, but yeah, I think we're just going to go walk around, do a bit of sightseeing, maybe get a little bit of food, get some food bits for later, and yeah, anything you want to add?
The heat. Girls who are watching this, if you have like curly or frizzy hair, Prague is not for you. Like, I'm like, it was so hard to get it in these plats.
It weren't that bad. It was quite hot yesterday, but it's cooled down so much today.
Frizz. But yeah, it's cooler today, which is really nice.
So anyway, we'll catch you in a bit. Okay, so we've just come to Bella Vida Cafe because it looks quite nice. Like, look at our view. Look at that. Lovely, right on the riverbank. And then also, with our coffee, it comes with a little shot of water. Apparently you're meant to have this before, but we just went straight in with our coffee, so we'll try it now.
Okay, now the espresso.
Now the espresso.
Do you know what actually tastes so much nicer?
I kind of see it.
I see that.
I don't know if that's bollocks, but yeah. Salt's blowing on me. Oh, it's pepper. We just had to walk up the maddest amount of stairs ever, but I tell you what, the view is fucking amazing.
That building over there looks wonky. You can see it.
Oh yeah, it does, doesn't it? You can get a zoom in on that.
Can I get a zoom? We have literally found the best Starbucks with quite possibly the best view.
Just when we thought the views wouldn't get much better, let me let the camera do the talking. Just come off the Charles Bridge and now taking a stroll, and we're now at the astronomical clock, a little cathedral sort of building in the background. Good morning everyone, this is our second full day in Prague. Did a lot of sightseeing yesterday, you've probably already seen the little clips here and there in that, but honestly as soon as we finished with the day we just came back, we just made some food, had a nap, made some food at the hostel, so there wasn't really much content there unfortunately, but today we're going to be we're going to be going on a little pedal boat along in the river. That'd be quite exciting.
Apparently in Prague there's like the narrowest street, so we're going to try and find that.
Yeah, apparently, literally, it probably is like that door width there. So, and it's got like a green man.
Oh yeah, to like go through.
To let you know when to go through. So
there's a book tower,
book tower as well. Yeah, so it's just like a spiral of books.
At this point, we're just going off TikTok recommendations.
Yeah, because I feel like we've completed most of like the monuments and like all the castles and that. So
we're also gonna watch a sunset tonight.
Oh, yes.
There's a few parks or like along the riverside, which looks really pretty. Oh, apparently there's like a gingerbread shop.
Gingerbread shops as well, yeah. Apparently
that's like viral, so we'll probably look at that.
So yeah, we'll catch you when we go to somewhere extravagant. Someone's playing an instrument with a saucepan lid. Yeah, that's right, mate. You stand right in front of me. I'm not going to swear, we're PG. I mean, I'll try that again, but... There we go. Oh!
So we're just walking along Charles Bridge now, trying to look for the narrow street. We were just looking across the river and I think we found it. Looks pretty narrow to me. So it's in between, literally, that green and the pink building.
So we're about to go down the world's narrowest street. Even green man telling us to go. Yeah.
Just... Oh my God, it is. Look.
Yeah.
That is narrow.
Literally, my elbows are touching the walls.
It's narrower. It's narrower.
Mate, touch your elbows against.
I can't even like stretch out my hand.
Wow. Oh, watch where I'm going. Wow. Where's that? So now we're about to go into a Punik shop. I think it's pronounced Punik, which is, I think, well, it's Czech for gingerbread. Oh, it smells well and nice.
It's me and you.
Oh. Okay, so we just got little gingerbread now. And women, sorry.
Cute, gingerbread people.
Yeah. So we're going to have a little taste test. Cheers. Really good.
It's not like a really strong gingerbread powder. It's nice.
Good enough. I'd say for a gingerbread, probably about an 8 out of 10. 8.5. Maybe. Today on the Nature Channel, we've found a wild otter. With look how close you're getting. Oh, hi there. Nah, that's definitely a capybara. Well, I know we're going to try and give you some content, and we was going to go and see the books, but there is a fat chance in hell that I am queuing in that.
In this heat.
In this heat. You are absolutely joking.
But anyway, that's the library.
Oh! There we go. Right.
And then that's the City Hall.
So yeah, that's City Hall there. But yeah, no chance I'm queuing in there. No way.
So I'm being quiet because we're in like a little eating area right now. I ordered bread dumplings and you're going to come along and try them with me. Do you want to try it with me?
No.
tastes like bread. Okay, so where did we last film?
I don't even know, to be honest.
So we can't remember where we last filmed, but we're on the little cycle boats on the
Cycle boat?
Oh, I'm sorry. So we're currently bringing you this section of the
What time is it?
vlog. Okay, we're bringing you this section of the vlog on a little paddle boat.
Oh, hello.
Just
Sorry, I'm
just
paddling.
cruising.
I mean, this is all right.
So this massive fucking cruise ship, we're just here, la 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 la, honk. We're in the wrong bloody zone. Oh my god, it's coming up next to us. Oh, Brandon, turn, Brandon, turn.
Where's it going? Where are you going?
Where are you going? Oh no!
We've just ruined
Brandon, turn.
We've just ruined everyone's cruise.
Oh, everyone's looking at us on the boat, can you see? Oh.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry. Woohoo! Look at all of our fans waving from us on the boat. Look at you.
Just chilling, you know? Actually, I've got a question. How was your Monday?
So here we are, just pedaling about. We hear this little party boat. We're getting closer to it, and it's a bar. All these like little boats just... Oh my fucking god, what are they? Oh my god, geese. Ah! Brendan, there's geese.
Ah. Watch out, the seagulls. Right, so we've just caught man a bit of a stroll along the lovely, lovely riverbank. And I don't like how these pigeons...
Oh, no, thank you.
They're just... Oh, what? They're his?
They're his. He was like, do you want to hold on your hand?
Oh, they're his pigeons. I've just been telling the vlog, there's just some random pigeons.
He was like, do you want to hold it in your hand? And I was like, no thank you.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna get fucking scammed.
Yeah. That was weird though, that was really weird. Who owns 5 fluffy pigeons?
No, there was at least 6. Yes, it looks lovely. We get it, it's a hard life, alright? Okay. Nostrils.
Now we're gonna get a can of fizzy pop.
Just had an ice cream and now we're gonna have a can of fizzy pop. So, see you for day 3.
Morning guys, and welcome to day 3. This is our last full day in Prague. And we're actually really sad because we've really enjoyed Prague. Everything is just so pretty and we've really had the best time. Tomorrow we are travelling to Vienna, so we'll get some clips of that. Our main objective today, oh my god, it's hot. Sunny's going on. Oh my god guys, it's really hot. Okay, as I was saying, our main objective today is to find a magnet. And that's as hard as our life is going to get today, to be honest. We also need to find a Czech beer for me to try. He's doing a TikTok of me trying all beers around Europe. Yes, how about that? Anyway.
So, me and Lauren have decided we're not going to go on the cable car because the queue, again, is absolutely horrendous. So, we're going to walk it. There's like some little satellite tower up here, but I've been told that the views, see, look at that queue. Can you see that? Disgusting. But you can't even see anything, so. Well, we're gonna walk up. It's already fucking like 27, 28 degrees right now. But yeah, we'll get up there and I'll let you know. So, we've not even gone up that much, but look at the view. Wow. Again, camera doesn't really do it justice.
Guys, look how freckly Brandon has got. We're out for a little sunset drinking pizza, aren't we?
Oh, well, I mean...
My sister and my brother, see them like no other. On my favorite color. Good day for me.
Prague, amazing city. If you're a bunch of guys or girls, you're going to absolutely love it for a holiday.
So we are going to close out the video here. We hope you've enjoyed our Prague vlog and catch us in Vienna.
Oh, don't forget to
Bye.
like and subscribe.